Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here you will find one of the stunning collection of different beautiful newly launched sandals which are best for casual wear and office wear. These all sandals are leather made and best for summer season. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all the design. If you love these designs, please thumbs up, like my video and share it with your friends and family on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Please subscribe my channel for more such kind of very beautiful, informative and stylish type of those collection which are in fashion and trending going on nowadays. If you want to ask something regarding this collection or want to suggest me that what you want to see more in my channel, then you can use comment section for this purpose, because this is the only way which you can use to connect with me and show your presence there. I always appreciate your comment there and try my level best to reply. Both flat and heeled sandals are included here in this collection. Double strap back open double sole sandal is best designed for all age group ladies. Wedge style, platform soles, block chunky heels, flat sandals, multi-strip sandals, slingback designs, all best designs are included here in this collection. One of the best collection for casual wear, formal wear and office wear. Printed sandals look so stylish and you can carry these sandals with your printed dresses and plain suits too. Two-tone sandals designs look so stylish and elegant in summer seasons. Adjustable strips are used to design such type of beautiful leather sandals. Flat sandals are best for office wear and casual wear. These styles are very popular and stylish, super comfortable collection you are watching here with eye-catching colors. Tie knot design is also one of the best design for girls. Peep-toe style flat sandal with rubber sole, non-slip resistant soles, best for walk, and these sandals are walk friendly and foot friendly. Double strap slingback design is best designed for all age group ladies. Long heel designs are very attractive and fashionable. Now sandals are designed with different types of accessories like pearls, beads, stones and flowers are attached on sandals to design such type of beautiful footwears. White cross strap slingback design with double flat sole is best designed for all age group ladies. Different eye-catching colors and beautiful designs you are watching here in this collection. As all of these designs are popular, very popular nowadays, so that's why I am sharing this beautiful collection with you people too. All of these footwear designs are popular for all age group ladies. Because of its styles, young ladies love to wear such type of footwear for their outfits with different types of bottoms designs like jeans, pants and trousers. And because of its comfortability, working ladies love to wear such type of footwear at workplace. These are so comfortable and soft that for longer period of time, you will feel super comfort under these footwears. Different type of wedge style, platform soles, slip resistant soles, slingback sandals and multi-strip sandals you will see here. Zipper bag sandal is also one of the best design for this year. Different type of very decent and beautiful designs of all those sandals, best perfect fit for your all outfits. This is one of the collection which is fit for your casual wear plus formal wear, especially office wear and party wear. Very stylish and comfortable designs you are enjoying here in this collection. Some of the platform soles and wedge style sandals you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those chunky styles of heels and mid heel sandals you can keep for your formal wear and party wear. Different color combination of these sandals are also very beautiful. Through these videos, not only you can take the designing ideas, but also you can do online shopping. In this collection, you will find round toe, square toe, pointed toe and peep toes, all best design. Nowadays, square and pointed toe sandals are also popular beside round toe. Wide, thin, medium, all sizes of strips are also used to design such type of beautiful sandals. T-strap, slingback design is also one of the best design. Like color contrast in dresses, designers are trying to introduce best color contrast in footwears also. All type of different straps are also used to design such type of beautiful sandals. Now sandals are designed with double, triple or multi strips. Transparent strips are also used to design such type of beautiful sandals. Double sole sandals design is one of the best design for this year. Now this is bestseller collection because ladies love to wear such type of designs. Those who follow me right from the first day, they knew very well that I always bring latest collections of dresses and footwears for you people. I am sure that you will admire this video too like previous collection. Whenever there is any new arrival in any brand, I try my level best to show you those collections with full details. If you want to see new collections of designer dresses and branded footwears, then you will find all new collections of branded suits and footwears in my channel very easily. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste, as this is the need of time too that all the people prefer to do online shopping, so all these pairs are available online. I am sure that you love to see this collection, and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping. These designs are also available in markets all over the world very easily because these all designs are in a fashion nowadays. I hope you love these designs. If you like this video, please thumbs up for this collection, means to say hit the like button. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you like such type of collections, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. Thin triple strip slingback design looks so stylish and elegant with casual wear. Bag close, zipper bag, sling bag and bag open, all beautiful designs are included here in this collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself.